What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to give you a video in under 4 minutes of a total C43 AMG build with the Redstar Downpipes, the Burger Motorsports Intakes, with the JB4 Tuner, and just, wanted to share my build. I love to see everybody else's build, love to hear your thoughts on it and your takes on it. I know there's different ways of going about it, whether it's with different tuners or different intakes or different downpipes, but again, I love the way I did it. I don't have any regrets or would do it any differently. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button down below. Please comment down below. I'd love to hear everything about it, and let's get right to it.
Driving in your car, speed so fast.
Stock intakes. Yeah. Out of the box, they look like this, and yeah, I just can't wait to hear how this is gonna sound. We get in the car up right now.
Canceled or something?
I don't know. Look at it. Look at that little comparison before, maybe after.